This is step by step on how I painted my garage floor. So first I'm doing half water and then a full gallon of muriatic acid, stirring that up. And this stuff is not good for your skin or to breathe in. So you want to be fully clothed and have a mask for this. Now the muriatic acid that you're going to be pushing into your concrete floor basically just opens up the pores in the concrete for your base coats. So I'm using Armor Seal 8100. This color is called Ultra White. And then the B label is the epoxy that you're going to mix with the base color. Since I'm rolling out of a trough, I just pour it all into here. And you can hand mix this, but it's easier with a tool that you can put onto your drill. So you mix this together for about a minute. And then I went ahead and just put my flakes that I'm using into the 5-gallon bucket for later. I only poured 2 in here, but I ended up needing 6 bags of this. One mistake I made was I didn't have spiked shoes, so I could go ahead and paint the garage floor in one. So I had to do sections. I would have to cut in a section and then roll a section. So next time I'm doing this, I'm going to get my spike shoes. Now, silly me forgot to open the garage door for the other half. So I grabbed my putter and luckily got the garage door open. Walked back, and of course my luck, this happens. Really? So I walked back, hopefully I don't fall into the paint that I just painted. That's the first coat. I grab my flakes after rolling a section of the second coat and just throw them up, spreading them out. Wife and baby wanted to have a peek. And now that I'm finished with my 2 coats of Ultra White, I grab my epoxy gloss for the top coat. Again, you want to mix A and B together. I used a 5-gallon bucket and a 9-inch roller. I went ahead and just hand mixed this because it wasn't staying on my drill. I don't know why. But I went ahead and did 2 coats of this, and we are done. I've never done white, but I really like it. What do you think?